chicken for brown stew. First, you're gonna start by taking the wings off. Split the wings in half. There you go. We're gonna repeat it with the other one. Then you're gonna remove the thigh from the whole chicken. When you're doing brown stew or curry, it's best to use a whole chicken because you're gonna get the blend from all of the chicken. Cut the thigh in half. Then we're gonna chop the drumstick in half. Because with brown stew, you don't want it to be too small because we're not making curry chicken. Alright, so we're gonna separate the thigh from the back again. Cut the thigh from the drumstick. Cut the thigh in half. And we're gonna cut the drumsticks in half. Brown stew is great. It's very. Or you could use this chicken to also make soup, or you can make it curry. Because some people like their curry to be big, but this style is the brown stew. Take the back off the breast, and we're gonna chop the back in probably like 4 or 5 pieces. Depends how big the chicken is. The chicken back is really hard, so it's best to kind of like use a little elbow power. All right. We're going to go ahead and cut the back. We end up getting, 5 pieces out of it. Now we're going to clean off some of the fat. And there you go. Now we're going to cut the chicken breasts. Take some of the fat off, obviously. Then we're going to split the chicken breast down the middle. And we're going to get probably about 4 or 5 pieces per chicken breast. There you go. And there you go. So that's how you're going to cut it for brown stew. If this was curry, you would have definitely cut it smaller. There you go. So that's pretty much the chicken cut up for brown stew. Obviously, like I said, you can use this chicken to make curry because some people do like their curry chicken bigger, or some people do like it differently. But so this is probably the best way of doing it. And I'm gonna show you again how to do the breast part. Just chop the breast in half. Because this